Hi, Dr. Woody McThroat here. Today I'm standing next to a bunch of handheld medical examination devices, and I will show you how DDORG Doctors Desk Organiser from Synkmed makes handling these a whole lot easier in day-to-day practice. You don't want to miss this one, especially if you're looking for the perfect gift to show your doctor some appreciation, or if you're a doctor, a nurse, specialist, or any health professional who uses these handheld tools every day. This is for you. This is also for you if you have a doctor or a nurse in your family, or if you manage a medical center or a hospital clinic. Medical examination devices are usually quite expensive. They are delicate instruments and can easily get dirty, scratched, or dented with frequent daily use. This happens easily when they're left on the desk or stored together in a general container, constantly bumping into each other. DDORG keeps your handheld devices tidy, clean, and protected, giving each one its own dedicated compartment. They stay upright, separate from each other, and always ready for use. It also makes life easier. You can pick things up or put them back in place effortlessly with everything right where it should be. Plus, it instantly makes your desk look more professional. DDORG isn't just an organizer. It's a smart investment that protects your valuable tools, keeps your workspace looking professional, and reminds you every day why good design matters in medicine. Remember, a clutter-free workspace always leads to a clutter-free headspace.